Hello, this is Shuki Chen demonstrating assignment 3 on movie streaming. I'll first explain the code and setting and then demonstrate the app. To start with, I have created an IAM user, Lab 3 user with these policies to access the DynamoDB, RDS, S3, Beanstalk, and SSM. And this inline policy ensures referencing the Beanstalk EC2 role for deployment. So the app connects to two database objects. The first one is the SQL Server hosts on RDS that stores the user information. And the other one is the DynamoDB. I use only one DynamoDB table to store movie rating and comment. So the primary key, the partition key is movie ID and with a sort key, name type key to differentiate if it is a movie rating or comment item. I've also created two indexes for genre and rating for the filtering. So now let's look into the code. This is a MVC application. So here are the packages installed to access DynamoDB S3 and the parameters stored in the System Manager, SQL Server, and etc. Here I have the models, movie, comment, and rating. And this one, movie user, refers to the user information. And the respective controllers that interact with DB objects are stored under the controllers folder. Each controller has the get methods to render the views to users and post method to access DB contents. These view models are for wrapping up the data in the view and shaping the data from a controller to a view. You can see I have implement the screen validations here, those required field, length, and input type are implemented here so that when user input in this screen, these validations will check the user's input. And all the views are stored under the views files. This represents the pages accessible by the user. This is the program.cs. Here, different components and services and client setup are coded here. This part gets access key ID and secret access key from parameters store and use this credential to access other services. You see, I have created these two keys from the parameters store here. Using this name to map to the keys. The DB context for connecting the RDS, registering DynamoDB services, S3, and storing cookie session assets here also. Now let's move to the demonstration. So actually, I have deployed the application to this address, but I still got some issue when uploading large video files through the web link. So I will demonstrate my features using the local deployment. I'll start with registering a new user by clicking this sign up link. You can see if nothing is entered and I click create, the validation is triggered and error message will be shown. And if I enter all the information, if the registration is successful, it redirects you to the login page. Then I log in with my credentials. If password provided is not correct, it will prompt the invalid message. After login, it shows the list of all movies, and there is a link on the top to add a new movie. Validation is applied here. If nothing is entered, there will be checkings. Now I will upload a new movie. For example, I'm uploading Angry Birds. And select a video file. Click add. It might take some time for the uploading. After adding a movie, it returns to the menu page listing all the available movies. If the movie is uploaded by the login user, the edit or delete action will be available. You can click edit and see the values preloaded. If you change any of them and save changes, it will be reflected on the list immediately. If you click on the title link, it brings you to the movie detail page. You can rate, comment the movie. Let me add a rating. You can simply just add a rating, or you can add a comment. If the comment is created by the login user, the edit button will be available. You can also click View Movie to stream the video. Okay, maybe let's get back to the listing page. And here are the rating and genre filter. You can filter like a rating have at least 4. Okay. Or you can filter by genre. Also, we can have a look of the S3 bucket. All movies uploaded will be saved in the movie ID folder. And you can view the user table again. We have just added user 4 and it will be appear on the SQL Server. So this is the end of my demonstration. Thank you.